Hey guys, well I'm back in the garage and it's been a long time since I've made a video. I've had a young family and things have had to go on pause. But I wanted to get into video making again, and I thought what better way than to start with what I think is a really cool motorcycle project for the bike cave, the man cave that I'm in at the moment. So I'm going to swing the camera around, talk you through what I'm working on, and then we'll get into the installation of it and see what the end result looks like. Here's what's going on today. So I've got these panels. Now, these are actually upside down at the moment. They're felt backed. And I'm not going to reveal them yet, but these panels will be going in situ over here. I'm going to just walk around so we get a full view. So they're basically going to cover from around here over to this pillar. And in order to mount them, they're going to be pretty well floor to ceiling. They're just maybe 1.5 inches short of that. I'm going to attach some battening to the top of the wall. That will give me a screw point to fix them on. And then I'm going to have a trough that I've been working on running along the bottom of the floor, which is here. And I thought this would be a good way of dropping the panels in. It will give a bit of stability, and then if needed, I can screw them onto the back, but just keep them off the floor. If there's any moisture or any damp, they're not going to soak it up. I've got some little plastic feet that will go on the bottom, adjustable plastic feet, so I can level it. And of course I'm going to need to paint this wood, right? It's going to need to be black, of course, to match the rest of the garage. But what we're going to do now is get these finished up, painted, and then I'll install them in situ, and we'll get these panels up and show you what it's all about. Alright guys, well that is it, the end result. I am super happy with this, but I'd love to know what you think. So please put in the comments below whether you like it or not, and maybe for your own garage project, what kind of image would you have gone for? Because I pained over this for quite a number of days and weeks before making this selection. So I'd love to know what other people would have gone with. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. I'm going to be trying to put out some more content. I think the next video will be about this garage space, a bit of a tour that I've created, and then I'll talk a little bit about the Thruxton R, my bike that I have behind me. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you soon.